Yo, hey, this is Nolan. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a very easy way to convert a .mov file into an MP4 file. So this is great if you want to play your videos on other devices other than Macs. MP files are also smaller, so you can shrink the file size down without losing quality. And it's great if you want to be able to upload to certain streaming services, and some editing softwares only use MP4s, so you can edit the video a lot easier. I'm going to show you how to do this in two different ways. One way is a tool that you have to pay a one-time fee for. The other way is when you can use the tool for 7 days for free and convert as many videos as you want in 7 days for free. I know there's lots of websites out there that can do this for you, and you're totally free to use those. With this one though, there's no ads. The conversion happens locally, so it doesn't happen in the cloud. So a little bit more security. It only takes like 4 seconds, and it's totally idiot-proof for someone like me who just wants something that works every time. Okay, so I have these 3 QuickTime files here. I got this one, and this one. Okay, so I just want to turn all these files into MP4 files. I also want to trim the files a little bit, because in this one here, you can see me looking at my watch, and I don't really want to show that. So I need to do a little bit of editing, and I want to reduce the file size a little bit on these. So I'll show you how to do that. So the tool we're going to use is one called Permute. And it's built by a guy named Charlie Monroe. If you go down to the bottom here, Charlie Monroe, and he's built a few different softwares, and they're great. One of them that I use all the time is called Downy, to download like private Vimeo videos. You can get it here, and they have a trial here, but I believe the trial is limited, so you can only use certain features. And then you have the buy now. I think the current price for this is $14, and it's a one-time thing. But if you go to this website called SetApp, and both of these links are the first links in the comments too. So the first link is the one to Permute. Second one is the link to SetApp. SetApp is kind of like Netflix for software. You just pay a flat fee, and then you get access to like 240 apps. I use SetApp and I love it. So I'll walk you through the process. First, you just go into here, try for 7 days, and put in your email. I'm going to use a burner email. Okay. And then I put in a password. Please don't pause the video and screenshot that and log into my account. My name is Carl. I typically don't click on this. You have enough emails coming in, create account. So that's going to ask you to launch the SetApp. So you click on the launch SetApp, and you will log in, and you'll see this little window here. It's the SetApp kind of launcher. You'll go in, and then you'll sign in with your account that you just created. And so you'll see a button up here that says start trial or start subscription. You can't see it on mine because I already have an account. So you click on this, and it should take you to a trial page where you get started, and it'll say there's a trial in 7 days, and it'll say you'll be billed on a specific day. Again, I already did all this, so unfortunately I can't do it again on my computer. So, all right. So once you get all that logged in, you're going to go back to SetApp. So once you do that, you'll log into SetApp, and you'll see this little interface here. Just type in Permute, and you'll see a little button here that says download. Again, mine's already here, and then open. And there you go. You can X out of this window here to use Permute. Okay, so here are the 3 files that I want to convert. So I'm going to just drag them into Permute like this, and it's going to ask you to add it to the group. And I'm just going to say yes, because what it'll allow you to do, run the files all together and convert them in one group and apply all of the settings to the group instead of doing it individually. So there's a few options here. One is you can trim this video down. I'm going to move this over until I'm swinging. There we go. I'm going to click apply, and that just trimmed the clip down. And I'm going to trim this one too. Trim that down a little bit. Okay. And then this one, I want to trim the first second. Okay. Clips are all look good. And then if you click on this little icon up here, you can do a few things. You can stitch all of these clips together. So you can create one clip from all of them. You can resize it, and you can adjust the volume, adjust the speed. All I want to do now is resize this. I'm sorry. I want a file size restriction. So I want to put this down to 600,000 instead of 700,000. You can flip them around. You can adjust the volume. You can adjust the speed, bit rate, all that stuff. But that's all I'm going to do now. And then all you do is you click this little start button. Don't click the individual ones, because that'll do it individually. You have to click up here on the file size that you want to the file that you want to convert it to. So you can convert it to a GIF, an H.265. You can convert it to M4, an MP3, an iPhone ringtone. Then you just click start, and it'll take a second to convert. It'll show you the percentages converting on each one. You can see them going across. One of the advantages to Permute is that you can actually schedule the conversion for when you're not at your computer and you don't want to use a bunch of CPU. So you can schedule it for like 2 a.m, just leave your computer on and it'll do it for you automatically. All right, so let's see the little check marks. All these files have been converted. So I'm going to click on the little magnifying glass here and pull it up. And here's the file. There you go. That looks great. And as you can see, it's an MP4 file. And you do that for each one. And you can pick where you want the files to get downloaded to. I didn't do that for this one just because I wanted to show you how to convert it. And then once you're done, you can just click X and it'll get rid of all these files. And Permute is cool because it's got these little, it's called a workshop. You could drop an audio and an image together and create a video. If you want to create like a video for TikTok or something, it'll merge PDFs together. So you can drag a bunch of PDFs in and then you can do PDF to images and some other cool stuff too. So, okay, hope that was helpful. If you did find this video useful, please consider leaving a comment below, letting others know that it worked for you. It helps the algorithms a little bit. And this way, this video will get in front of more people who really need it. So, and if you want more little quick hacks like this one to show up in your feed, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.